Matthew, this is Dr. Jester. I wanted to go over your current events detailed outline. So when I opened up your paper and just started working my way through it, I realized this is not an outline. This is an essay. While I appreciate all of your hard work, you need to save that for the final assignment. This is what your final assignment is. You basically take the outline that you did right here, topic 4, that you're supposed to do in topic 4. Take that outline. Then when you get to topic 8, you're going to fill in that outline with the paper you just did. And that would be the benchmark assignment. If Lobstrite will bring it up here. So your benchmark assignment is a final essay of 1,250 to 1,500 words that further expands upon and amends your current events outline based upon what you learned during residency. So reality is, what I need from you is to rework this as an outline. If you're satisfied that you already know enough about sex trafficking and will not need to amend this anymore other than maybe to sharpen it up for the final assignment, by all means submit it. But this needs to be an outline rather than an essay. When you wrote your previous essay and had some questions about the additions of additional sentences that I wanted, I did not imply an essay. What I need you to do, however, is provide enough information so that we know what you're talking about under each point. You can do that one sentence. You may need 3 or 4 or 5. But enough in the outline that it gets the point across and provides sufficient information. Okay? I'm going to reassign this to you, and you'll need to resubmit that as soon as you can. Okay? Blessings upon you.